I'm Wendy. I've been a licensed massage therapist for 25 years and a Reiki master for over 12. And I'm here to share my knowledge and wisdom that I have gained over the last 25 years of my practice, learning through my clients and my own personal experiences to share with you the health and wellness that I've learned. What I really am aware of right now, that we all are aware of, is the pain and the suffering and the fear and the anger that is permeating through our society, through our earth, through our world. And I'm here to offer a healing option for all of us to come into ourselves, to get centered, and to help heal, starting first with ourselves and having that healing permeate out into the rest of the world. Healing always starts inside each and every one of us. And it's a practice. It's not always easy to be in touch with ourselves in this way and connect, but it's vital. It's so important for our health, our well-being, and not only that of our own personal health and well-being, but of our communities and our world, our natural world. So I invite all of you to take a couple deep breaths, find a comfortable place to be, and a cocooning, wonderful, healing environment. If you need to light a candle, light a candle. Do what you need to do to make yourself engaged in a healing moment. It's the intention of this video to bring yourself into a healing environment and bring yourself deeper into yourself, to be aware of the power that you have of your own personal health and healing powers. So everybody come, get situated, get centered, sit in a comfortable position. And if you have watched my video on chakras, let's start by feeling into your first chakra. That is your root chakra. It is at the bottom of your torso near your coccyx region. Take some deep healing breaths into your root chakra. Moving up to your second chakra, which is a little below your belly button, and breathe deeply into that chakra. Now your third chakra, which is your solar plexus, a little below your sternum. Notice your heart chakra. This is always engaged in healing. And your fourth chakra in your neck. Your sixth chakra. And your seventh chakra. Breathe into all of these chakras and feel whatever it is you feel. Go into your body. Notice sensations that may be arising for you. Be with them, be the observer. Notice fear or anger or sadness. Feel anything and everything that comes up for you. And again, observe it. Try not to judge it. Be with it. Embrace it. It's all a part of you. Breathe. If any emotions come over you, let them spontaneously happen. And be with them and breathe and continue to come into your body. Notice the chakra centers that we talked about. Now move into your heart. Move into your heart energy source. Breathe into that and start to open up the love and compassion that's there. Open up the love and compassion for yourself. See where that takes you. Does it take you out and expand your love and compassion? Does it take you deeper within? While you're feeling this heart energy, take a few more deep breaths. Let that beautiful healing energy permeate you and be with you. And when you're ready, you can come back into a more conscious state. Know that this is always at your fingertips to do. You can always come to this place inside of yourself, to center yourself, to reconnect with yourself, to feel whatever it is that you're feeling, to observe it, to acknowledge it. The more that we can truly understand who we are and what we're feeling, that's the first step in healing. We need to first step and the first step is to heal ourselves and be aware of what it is that we're even experiencing. So come to this once or twice a day. It is not always easy to make the time, although it should be, because the power and the potential for joy and light and kindness to exponentially reverberate throughout the world from a practice like this is amazing. So don't take my word for it. Experience it yourself. Practice this every day if you are inclined to. And share the love and the light that is in you with yourself and in turn with the rest of the world. I am so grateful that you're here watching this today. I share my love and my light with all of you and this earth. Thank you.